Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make a video on how to do a chin mount on half face helmet. So as you know, when you use a half face helmet, there is only one possibility way to do a GoPro mount, that is the top of the helmet. So there is no any chance to do a chin mount on the helmet like this. So I have found one hack for this. So I'm going to use the riding glasses, this one, and it comes along with the mask as a separately. So these are the two things which will help you to do a chin mount on the helmet like this. So first let me give you the details about these riding glasses and mask. So this glass is made of some kind of a fiber, and it comes in different colors. Like this is one is a silver, there is another as a white transparent color, and other you will find as a yellow color, which can be used as a day night glasses. And this mask has there are the four types of hooks on the mask, which you need to insert properly on the glasses, so it gets fitted on the glasses. So I will try to do that. So this is how it looks when you insert the mask into the glasses. It is so tightly fitted, like even if you try to pull out, it won't get easily unplugged, so you need to apply the force. So I was in doubt whether it will sustain the weight of the GoPro when you mount the GoPro on the chin of the mask, but it looks better, so we can try this out. So this is how mask looks like now. So if you see, there are the two grill holes on the front of the mask, just to provide a good ventilation. And if you look from the inside, there is a filter over here which doesn't allow the dust to enter inside. The next thing you will require to how to mount a GoPro on the chin of this mask. So for that you will require this 3mm tape, and the most importantly the J mount. So let's see how to do this setup. So there are the two main things. First, you can purely rely on this 3M tape, or secondly, if you want more safety, so you just need to drill a small hole over here. And when you are using a base mount, so you need to also drill a small hole on it. So it will be fitted like this, and when you have a hole, you can insert a screw inside it and fit it with the nut, so it won't come out or it won't slip from the mask. But over here I will totally rely on the 3M tape, and whether see if it's sustaining the weight of the GoPro or not. I have this 3M tape. Now I will place at the center of, first just clean the front of the mask, so make sure there is no any dust on it, and just place at the center of the filter which is provided on the mask. So place this base mount on 3M tape. Make sure you don't mess with this while sticking. This is how it looks when you stick the base mount on the mask. So if you see, there is some gap over here because the mask is curvy and this is a flat one. So just for the safety, one thing you can do, just a drill hole over here and make it fitted with the nut and bolt. The other thing, you just need to put your J mount on the base mount like this one. So this is how it looks like when you mount the GoPro. So now I will try to put it on my face. and then just use the helmet. One more thing, you can remove this visor as well, but I'm not doing it right now, so I will just put the helmet as it is. So now let's go for a short ride and see how it gives you the surrounding. I think it's sustaining the weight of the GoPro. Glass are very clear. I'm not wearing any type of glasses. I can say it's a very good hack to use your mask or chin